Hi, this is how I make a stamp. So first I pick the picture that I want to use in Google, or I make my own. I save it to my computer. Then I open Salva 3D, I import the image, and then I save it as an STL file. Once that's finished, I put it into TinkerCad and I add a base between 3mm to 4mm, and make sure that your image is actually higher than the base. Go ahead and export it, save it as an STL file. Then you want to open Cura or whatever slicer you're using and import the stamp. And then once that's in there, you can make whatever adjustments you want in the slicer, and that's pretty much it.